lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. So for today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my butterfly saving challenges. So the completed saving challenges on my butterfly binder will go to our debt payment. So let's start. So for today, we're going to save $50 again. So I need to do some bulk filming because I'm having a short vacation. So I need to change some prop money, but I don't have enough here. So for the meantime, let's use the one I'm using from Mini Saving Challenges, okay? Because I don't do Mini Saving Challenges at the moment. So this one. So let's see if I can change 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 15, sorry, 20. So let's just keep this inside here. And let's play with this prop money first. So for the first, let's go to the IOU page first. So here I have IOU of $2. So let's just change it to IOU first. So $2, and now here is 2, 4, 5, 7. So let's change this $5 into this. Okay, sorry. And I will go back, and then here, let's say here IOU take out, so $4. Let's do this, $4. Okay, so let's start in the beginning. So for this one, actually I just need to roll 2 dice, and whatever it lands on, I will save that amount, okay? Roll. So 3 and 5. So let's save $8 here. 3 and 5. This one is already done. This is already done. This is already done. Okay. So 3 and 5, it's $8. So far, what I have here is $15. Oh no, hold on, $17. Let's see. Okay, let's just put here how much? $8 first. So $8. Put 10. See, I'm shaking. I think my thyroid is attacking again, so I'm shaking. So 25. Let's see. 6, 12 plus 5, 17, 20. Oh my god. So there's 4. Hold on, yeah. Okay, next one is this from Vicky Things and Weekly Budget Co. So let's just roll. Two dice here. So 2. So we save here $2. Let's see if we can have a change here. So $2. No, we cannot. So this total of $9. 5. Yeah, $9. I think one more. Let's just do one. So $3. So let's give 2 here and put 5 in here. So total now $12. 12. So what we have here is 5, 10, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25. So 25 left. I don't need this. Let's just move it there. So this one is a roll and save. Let's just roll 1 dice. So 2, 1 more, 5. So $7. Let's get here a change. No, there's no change. So $7, 5, and 2. So total now here is $23. Yeah, 6, 12, 10. Yeah, $23. Next one is from the Secret Budgeter. Sorry, I need to slow down because I'm shaking. Yeah. Okay, these are all in same. So 3, 1 more, 1, so $4. So far what we have here is $10. So now we got 13, oh no, 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14. So give me $4 here. Okay, $4. Please, ladies, bear with me. I don't want to stop doing it because I'm shaking now, but I have to do it because I need it. So this one is from Bobby of Canadian Finance Journey. So this is a roll and save as well. So let's roll. 2, I think. 6. Hold on. Don't know if still have money. So 6. And last 3. So 1. Okay. So $7. And the total amount here now is 10, 20, 21. Should be 10, 20, $21. Okay. 10, 2, 4, 5, 20, $21. And let's change this into bigger prop money, I think. And let's change. Later, I will change it into prop money, the bigger one. Upcom. I'm really shaking, so this one is a $5. This is from Cash Stuffing and Coffee. Each butterfly is $5. So what we have here is only $3. So we owe here, we owe it $2. Okay. Okay, what so far what we have is 5, 10, 15 with the IOU. 15. And the rest I will make a mark so I can start again on this one, because we finish it there and we cannot do this one, so I need to mark it. And for next week, okay. And then, okay, there's a marker here, so this one, the Hello Kitty one. This from, I think, Momshi Queen. Yep. Let's get this. And then let's see if I can change this $50 or this one. I can do it, change for here, change for the real one. I think there is some. So here, no. Here. So 10, okay, 20, 23. Okay, let's get this. 23. Then this one, no, 14. 10, 20. So let's change this into $10. Okay, let's see. Sorry guys. I have to do it like this. So it's not. Alright, that's it. So let me put it back here. So this $50 represent the prop money inside this binder, these envelopes, okay? So that's all for today. Although my video is not that good today because I'm shaking and my thyroid is attacking me. Oh, I still have $10 here. Hold on. I think I made a mistake, but anyway, this is not my channel if I didn't make mistakes. So thank you for staying with me, and hopefully I feel better after this video. I need to calm down before before I refilm again another video. So that's it for now. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Makes having a habit. Bye. God bless you. Love ya. Bye.